Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at some crypto projects that have yet to pump. So a lot of the projects have already taken off and broken their previous April and May highs, and they're on their way to their technical targets. But I do want to say that I'm not a financial advisor by any means. You should do your own research before investing money into crypto. Now, the first project we're going to be taking a look at is Chainlink. So Chainlink is a good old friend that has been around for quite some time, and I do have the fib set up. As you can see, we do have a target at $80 over here. That is the 1.618 target after you break the previous swing high over here that we had in May at $54.50. So once you break that, you're looking at $80. From where we are right now, $80 is 150% gains approximately. Obviously, we can get overextended and get all the way up to $95 over here, right? And then you're looking at above 100, right? Which is still possible, you know. Projects can get very overextended. FOMO is going to kick in. I think these next couple of months are going to be very, very crazy. So, yeah, it's just one of those projects that since July, it has made 140%, right? But you look at some other projects and they've already made a 500%, right? So this has still room to grow, and to the previous all-time high, there's still like 70% profit. So Chainlink is one of those projects that is a blue chip. It's a safe coin. If you invest in this, you know there are potentially a lot more profits coming in, and it's a lower risk, lower reward type of coin. Obviously, I'm not going to be mentioning any super low cap gems because a lot of those still haven't moved and they move just randomly. But generally, in these projects that I'm going to be covering are the ones that still have a lot of room to grow, and Chainlink is one of them. You know, you're looking at 3x here at least, in my opinion, and that's just easy money in my opinion. You just invest. Sit back, relax, enjoy, and you'll get your money worth. But one thing is you have to have your targets ready, right? You have to have the sell orders ready if you're looking to take profits and you're looking for those gains, because you never know when the market's going to drop down. If you want to invest now and hold for the long term, that's good as well. But jumping into the next coin. Next up, we have XRP. So yeah, this is one of those coins that still really hasn't moved since the July bottom over here. As you can see, it made 115%, right? Since the September bottom, I do apologize. The July bottom was over here. Yeah, 130%. So it has started moving, right? We're hitting our head on the golden ratio right now. We can't get through it, but we're consolidating, and I think any bullish news regarding the case are going to pump the price tremendously. We are nowhere near the previous all-time high. I think that's sitting, let me just double check with you. The previous all-time high to the previous all-time high, that's 200% gains, right? And I think we're gonna get there, right? We only need to break this trend line that we have, this white trend line that's keeping us down. We got rejected from it twice, in May this year and in January last bull run. So XRP has those gains incoming, and if we even start getting overextended and getting to the 1.618 to the second fib level, I think we could be looking at a $4 XRP token, right? And if that is the case, that's 260% from where we are right now. Another popular project has a strong community. The case is really what's suppressing the price down, in my opinion. And once that gets done in 2022, I think we could look at XRP having its own little bull market, right? And flying after Bitcoin corrects. But we don't know how it's going to play out. Obviously, I don't have a crystal ball, but this is one of those projects that is for sure going to have some gains, right? So yeah, that's my number 2 pick. Now moving into the third pick, this is Cosmos Atom. Now, I know what you might think, right? So from July, we made like 376% in gains. Yeah, that's quite a lot. And I did buy in a lot of coins in this area over here. But there is still room to grow, and I think $100 is easy, right? With the market cap that it has right now. So it's pretty much a what, a bit less than a 3x from where we are right now to $100. Let's see, that's about 167% gains, right? And look at this chart. This chart is very bullish. We're just getting the sort of EMA squeeze over here with the 20 EMA bounces off the 55 EMA. So it's looking very good. You're looking at the 134 price per Cosmos Atom token over here at the 1.414. So putting your money into this and just taking profits just for the sake of, making some money in this bull market, this is a good strategy, and this is one of those coins that will do very well in the next 5 years. Obviously, if you just stick with your tokens and stake them, you're going to have a lot of money in 5 years. But if we're talking this bull market, we're talking taking profits, then anywhere from $100 to $150 is a very nice place to take profits if you buy in over here. And I think there's a lot more room to grow. We're going to see this parabolic rise in pretty much all the projects, right? I can't say for all the projects, obviously, but we're going to be entering that euphoric stage where you won't be able to buy back at support because there will be no support. We're just going to be testing resistance, breaking it, right? So you never know how high a project can go, but Cosmos Atom is one of my top picks. Next up, we have BNB. So from the bottom that we had in summer, we're up 145%, and that's okay if you've been buying at these bottom levels. It's great. But as you can see, we're just breaking out of this symmetrical triangle. We do have a target to $967, okay? So from where we are right now to that target, that's 77%. And getting to the 1.414, that's 107% trade. And as you can see, we have the bullish cross, and I think getting to the 1.618 is just a matter of time for BNB, and that's 160%. So pretty much all these coins have 100% price appreciation potential. So yeah, as you can see, very bullish pattern. We're breaking out of it. We're looking very good. I do cover it sometimes in the Discord server, so make sure to join that because you're going to have some quick TAs on the projects that we don't usually cover on the channel. And BNB is just one of those projects, right? We look at the RSI, we're just ready. We're just ready to blast off into the overbought towards the end of the year. So yeah, BNB is one of those projects where you could, if you had $1,000, let's say, you can split the $1,000 and just put $200 into BNB, $200 into Cosmos, $200 into whatever else you want to put in, right? So yeah, let's jump into the next coin. So the next coin is Orion Protocol. This is our golden boy of the channel. We do cover it a lot, and we do like Orion Protocol on this channel. Last time I did give you this falling wedge pattern, and now that I've looked at it, it actually looks a lot like a descending triangle pattern over here, right? So in the next video, I'm going to correct myself. So, you could look at it like a falling wedge, right? It does look like a falling wedge if you have the trend line a bit, bent down, but I think it really is a descending triangle, right? Because you're making this, you're holding this support, and you're just making lower highs. So we're going to have a breakout very soon, since the bottom that we had in, where was that? In July, we made 100% gains, right? Not too much. But what we're looking at, in November, they're going to release a bridge that will allow you to trade on the Ethereum blockchain with 0 fees, and I think that's really what's gonna help this project blast off. And if we're looking at the previous all-time high over here, right, we're looking at $30 from where we are right now. That's 289% trade. If we're looking to get at least to $50, right, which is very possible by the end of the bull market, by the end of this year, 50%, that's 558% trade. Obviously, this has a lower market cap, but the potential is there, right? So if you put in like $100 and you make like what 6x on this, I think it's gonna be worth it, right? The RSI looks very, very healthy. No movements towards the upside yet on the daily chart, so we're just expecting a boom in November, because when we get that problem fixed for Ethereum with the Orion protocol, it's going to be great. And the inverse head and shoulders is playing out as well. And one last project that I'm going to share with you is Telcoin. So this was suggested by Unknown from the Telegram chat. Shout out to him. He did suggest another project, but a second one. But I'm not going to include that one because we're not, I don't see how it would be very safe to invest in that right now because I'm kind of covering the more safe coins. So hopefully you understand Unknown. But yeah, what we're looking at here on Telcoin, which looks very bullish in my opinion. The chart looks very bullish. You can see that we're creating this horizontal. We're coming up into the apex, and I think we're gonna have a blast off over here. So this was a really good suggestion in my opinion. I don't know anything about the project, honestly. I haven't researched into it. I just asked what projects would you guys recommend. I looked at the chart and this looks kind of good. So yeah, let's look at some potential profits. Let's look at where it's been in. So this is the July bottom. From the July bottom to where we were, that's 180%, and right now it's sitting at 90% gains from the July bottom. And we have a target at 4.5 cents pretty much over here from the horizontal. That's 150% trade, and to the previous all-time high, that's 250% gains. So I think we're doing, this coin can do very well if it's gonna reach to its previous all-time high. But like I said, do your own research, right? I don't know anything about the project. I've heard about it before, but I didn't do my research into it. And if we're looking at some gains towards the 1.618, which is the technical target, that's 1,106% gains for Telcoin. But obviously, yeah, look at the market cap, look at the supply, look at the news, look at the team before investing. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. This was one last suggestion from the Telegram chat. Thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to check out the Patreon. I do have 3 tiers there. More tiers incoming very soon. So more benefits and exclusive content for the Patreons. It's a great way to support me as well and for me to give back to you guys. Make sure to check out the Telegram chat and the Discord server. I'm going to catch you in the next one. Goodbye and good night.